Okay, so I figured I would make a quick video on how to get Kubuntu to recognize ISO files other than Kubuntu and Ubuntu. For some reason, it's not picking up my Windows ISO file that I'm trying to create into a bootable flash drive, and I'll show you what I'm talking about here. I have the Kubuntu startup disk creator that's built into Kubuntu. We're going to select the Windows ISO file here I have for test. And as you can see, it's not pulling anything up, but if we go here and try to select the Kubuntu ISO file, it works just fine. We're able to select that and select our USB drive and make a bootable, bootable flash drive. So what you have to do, you can't use the Kubuntu built-in startup disk creator, so you have to download a program called Bracero, and you can find this in the Software Center. Just open Software Center up, search for this right here, Bracero. It takes a few minutes to download, but once you have that created, all you have to do is you go over here to Burn Image, and this will actually let you select the Windows ISO file. So you're going to select that, open it, and see it already has, it recognized the Windows ISO file, and it recognized the blank disk we have in our DVD drive. So that's the only way I've found that you can actually get Kubuntu to recognize ISO files. It recognizes other files also, so you don't have to use Windows. You can also make another Kubuntu bootable drive if you want, or anything else. So this is the best way I've found to get around that issue. So that should be about it. Thanks for watching.